The world of warfare is changing. Forget soldiers on battlefields. Picture robots fighting robots. This isn't science fiction, it's our reality. Welcome to the age of autonomous weapons, where artificial intelligence, or AI, takes the reins of war. The race for AI supremacy is on, and the stakes are higher than ever. This isn't about bigger bombs or faster jets. This is about who can create the smartest, deadliest machines. It's a terrifying thought, but it's one we need to face head-on. Our future depends on it. The decisions made today will shape the battlefields of tomorrow. We need to understand the implications of this technology before it's too late. Autonomous weapons, also known as killer robots, are no longer the stuff of dystopian fiction. These machines, once only imagined in science fiction, are now a reality. They are real, and they are rapidly evolving. The pace at which this technology is advancing is astonishing, and it shows no signs of slowing down. In simple terms, these are weapon systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention. This means they can operate independently, making decisions on their own. Think drones, but much smarter. These aren't just remote-controlled devices, they have the capability to think and act autonomously.
These machines use AI to analyze data, identify threats, and process vast amounts of information in real time. They make life-or-death decisions in the blink of an eye, processing data faster than any human ever could, all without a human pulling the trigger. This level of autonomy raises significant questions about control and accountability.
This technology has the potential to revolutionize warfare, changing the way battles are fought and won, making it faster, more precise, and potentially less reliant on human soldiers. The implications for military strategy and tactics are profound.
But this promise of efficiency comes with a hefty price tag, a moral and ethical dilemma that we as a global community need to grapple with. The debate over the use of autonomous weapons is just beginning. We must consider the consequences of allowing machines to make life and death decisions, and the potential for misuse or unintended consequences. The future of warfare is here, and it demands our attention and careful consideration.
The race for AI supremacy in defense is not just about technological prowess, it's a high-stakes financial battleground. Investors and nations alike are pouring billions into this sector, hoping to gain a strategic edge. The stakes are incredibly high, and the competition is fierce. Experts predict that the global market for autonomous weapons will reach a staggering $50 billion by 2025. This projection underscores the rapid pace at which AI technology is being integrated into military applications, transforming the landscape of modern warfare.
This massive investment reflects the growing belief among nations that AI is the key to dominating the battlefields of the future. Governments are